Today we're going to go over how to clean the tiles and grout in your shower. Whether it's a little everyday dirt or more stubborn stains and mildew, this step-by-step method will help you get it all cleaned up. Let's get started. If your tiles and grout only have a little soap scum or dust, here's a simple method. Put some dish soap and warm water in a spray bottle and shake it up. Spray it on the tiles and grout, then scrub with a brush. Let it sit for 5–10 minutes to soften the grime, then rinse it off. Dish soap removes oils and soap residue, and it's safe for marble. Doing this regularly means you won't need to deep clean as often. If you have a brush attachment, it makes cleaning faster and easier. For high gloss or mirror tiles, wipe dry with a cloth to remove streaks and water spots. If your tiles and grout are pretty dirty, you'll want to step up the cleaning a bit. Make a DIY paste by mixing hydrogen peroxide and baking soda until it's like runny toothpaste. Scrub the paste into the grout lines with a toothbrush or grout brush. Small tiles have more grout, so it takes a little longer. Big tiles are quicker. After scrubbing, let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse everything off. Nylon brushes or toothbrushes work best. Metal brushes can scratch glossy tiles. If you want extra cleaning power, you can also use mild bleach. Just spray, let sit, scrub, and rinse. Rinse a couple of times to make sure there's no residue left. If your grout is really dirty, you'll need to go with a stronger method. Apply a deep cleaner onto the grout and let it sit for a few minutes. You'll see bubbles forming and lifting the grime. Then scrub it carefully with a brush and rinse everything off. Wear gloves to protect your skin, and don't worry too much if your clothes get dirty. If you have a steam cleaner, it's also great for a quick clean. Hot steam blasts away grime without chemicals, but you'll need the machine and some space. Sometimes mold grows on your caulking. This is pretty common. If it's just surface mold, apply a gel and let it sit for a full day to soften the mold, then rinse it off. Wear gloves to protect your skin, and don't worry if your clothes get a little dirty, you can clean it up afterward. Here are some grout cleaning tips. Keep the area ventilated. Tiles and grout vary, so only try one method at a time and test in an inconspicuous spot first. Avoid using cleaners that aren't suitable to prevent staining or damage. Sealing helps grout stay cleaner longer. Apply a bead of sealer along the grout lines with a tool, covering the whole shower. Wipe off any excess from the tile edges. Grout must be fully dry, preferably 24 hours, and clean. Apply enough sealer so the grout absorbs it fully for best protection. That's the full method for cleaning tiles and grout. Follow these steps and your shower can stay clean and tidy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider liking, saving, or sharing it.